This is session 10, Teaching Adult Learners. In today's session, we will discuss how to teach adult learners. We will also go over the characteristics of adult learners and their unique needs. Lastly, we will discuss the important differences between fact and opinion. There are characteristics that make some community health advisors more effective than others. Community health advisors who use a variety of teaching strategies and respond to different learning styles are more effective than those who use only one style of teaching. As you will be educating adults, there are several things you need to remember. Adults need to know why they should learn something. They also have more life experience to draw from than school age individuals and are able to connect new information to those life experiences. Adults enter into a learning experience with a task centered, problem centered, life centered approach and are motivated to learn by external and internal stimuli. You should also remember that adults appreciate user-friendly materials and prefer simple and jargon-free language. Lastly, adults are ready to learn when they experience a situation that confirms their need to know. It is important when teaching adults that you are confident with the information you are expected to teach. As mentioned, adults apply the information they receive to their experiences and current knowledge base. Communicating any information that may seem to disagree with knowledge they already have may require proof. It is important that in your communication you must always distinguish fact from opinion. You may risk the project's and your own reputation by stating opinions instead of facts. Know your facts so you and the project will be seen as trustworthy and known for providing up-to-date information. Knowing the facts will also ensure you are known for finding accurate answers if not sure of the facts. Here are some take-home points for this session. Adult learners need to know why they should learn something. They also learn by drawing from and connecting the new information to their life experiences. Adult learners need user-friendly materials, and teaching adults should be done in a confident, fact-oriented manner. Thank you for watching this session. If you would like to review the content of this session, feel free to print and download the PowerPoint slides found at the bottom of the modules section of this online training. You can also refer back to your community health advisor manual you received during the first half of your training. You may now move on to the next session, Communicate Your Skills.